Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another eating
show.
In today's video we are eating yam fufu and vegetable soup with assorted meat. Okay guys, so we are going to be devouring like a champion that we are. Before that, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, subscribe,
like our video, comment
and also
share.
So guys, we are going to pray before we start devouring. Our hands are properly washed. So Sherry, pray for us.
Father, in the mighty name of Jesus,
amen.
King of glory, of days, Father, we say thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you for this food, O Lord Jesus.
Amen.
As we eat this food, O Lord, Father, let it nourish our body.
Amen.
Father, those that don't have, O Lord, go and bless them.
Amen.
Bless our subscriber.
Amen.
Bless our viewers.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Thank you, Lord, Father.
Thank you,
For in
Lord.
Jesus' name, Lord, we have prayed.
Amen. So guys, you know I like it as it is hot. Let's start devouring, okay? Wow. I love this pounded yam. This for you guys.
The soup is super.
Sherry, what's in now? Sherry? Sherry, give me my food now. Why did you change the plate now? No.
You eat your own. Eat your own.
No, but this one, no, Sherry, give me. This one is your plate.
No, that one is on you.
No. Why? Why are you changing it?
I already changed it, Sherry. After you sneeze, it's my food.
Inside your food? Did I sneeze inside your food?
Yes.
I do like this now when I was sneezing.
No, you sneeze inside my food.
Inside your food?
Yes.
But I did not sneeze in your food, Sherry. I did not sneeze in your food. Give me.
Yes, Sherry.
No. Give me my food. Sherry.
I said you sneeze inside my food.
I sneeze in your food?
Yes.
Okay, because I sneeze, now you exchange the food.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's not in your food I sneeze. Now I bring my head down like this.
Look at it here now. You see it now? Just look at it here. And my food was there. Guys, you see my wife? I think you are smart. Right? How can you sneeze inside my food? Look at it here now. You eat my own, don't worry.
Guys, imagine my husband. He just changed the food. He said I sneeze inside his food.
You eat it.
Okay. But what about your meat now? No, be eating.
Yeah, you take your food.
Eat that one.
Or just take your food.
You do me, I do you.
I'm joking. Just take the food.
Should be I sneeze in your food.
Can someone joke with you?
No, I sneeze in your food.
Guys, I'm joking with my wife.
No, you are not joking. You are serious.
Allow me to take the meat.
No. See enjoyment.
Don't eat the meat too.
Guys, see enjoyment. Oh, this is goat meat. Wow.
Allow me to take the meat now.
I sneeze everywhere.
You sneeze already, pardon. Now let me take the meat. Don't come and steal your shirt because you are dragging the meat.
Don't worry, I will not steal my shirt. Even if I steal it, I will wash it.
Let me eat the meat. You always sneeze on top of the pounded yam.
Because I sneeze, you know I exchange my food. Then you carry the small one. This one is my luck.
But Sherry, how can you sneeze inside the food?
I did not sneeze in your food. I just say, let me do that and see how you are going to feel. Because this food has a lot of meat. Let me see if you can resist it and you fall for it. Don't touch my food though.
Is it your food? Is it your food?
Yes. It's my food.
Let me collect the meat now.
No,
the
no,
meat
no,
is
no,
not
no.
for you now.
No.
The palanya is for you.
When I sneeze everywhere.
So guys, you see my wife. You sneeze to collect the food. Okay.
No, it's not me that collect it. You
Don't
give
worry.
me.
Don't worry.
You give me the food. Guys, sure you guys saw him when he was giving me the food.
Don't worry. I'm going to prepare.
Going to prepare. I'm waiting.
You just need to collect my food.
It's you that give me the food.
Because you saw the meat.
You give me the food. You know you like meat. I said, let me see if this man will continue with the food. And you give me the food. Because of God. Because of God though. So that you guys will not say, Julie is very stingy. Take.
Thank you. Yeah, you collect your meat and give me all my meat.
Huh? You see, you guys. Sherry, you be bad person. I should collect all my meat and give you all your meat. Oh, not even one. I even pity you to give you one. You say I should collect all my meat and give you all your meat. Okay. I've eaten one though.
You vomit it.
Eh? Take. It's finished. Take this one because I ate one before.
No, take it. Take it.
No, I've already eaten one. So that you'll be satisfied. I want you to enjoy.
That's my wife.
Yes. I want you to enjoy.
My beautiful.
Go and sleep.
I'm beautiful.
Go and sleep. Because I give you meat now. You are
Beautiful.
beautiful. When I was sneezing, did you beautiful? Eh?
Beautiful.
When I was sneezing, did you beautiful?
Guys, she's my wife.
Did they join you dragon?
I'm beautiful.
Guys, this my husband will not use laugh to kill me. Because I sneeze, he exchange the food. Now he collect his meat. I enjoy this food. As it dey hot. Why buy pounded yam now? I should give you more.
No, eat it.
I cannot finish it though. Okay. Because I sneeze on top of the pounded yam. Guys, you people see my husband. Oh.
Wait, sorry. Just a pause. It's not only the top of the palanyam. It's
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
No, if maybe including my own too.
No, not your own.
Only your own.
Only my own.
But it's good for you, Sha. There's extra meat.
Thank you. My beautiful, beautiful. My beautiful, beautiful. My sherry cocoa.
This food calls for a lot of water. She? You even drink water today. Yes, guys. I enjoy myself. Yes. Guys, I enjoy myself today. If you enjoy watching this video, like I'm done, I'm done. You can see in my eyes, I'm done. I want to go and relax myself. I prank him today and he fall. You can see him. I said, let me see what he's going to do, and he fall for it. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, click on the like button, share the video, comment, and also if you have not subscribed, subscribe. See you all in our next one. Bye.